Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're taking a look at MailerLite. MailerLite is an email marketing platform designed to help businesses, bloggers, and marketers create and manage email campaigns with ease. It offers simple interface, automation features, and affordable pricing, making it a strong contender for both beginners and small businesses. Whether you want to build newsletters, automate workflows, or create landing pages, MailerLite promises a user-friendly experience without the steep learning curve of other email marketing tools. Speaking of features, firstly, we begin with the drag-and-drop editor. You can create beautiful emails with any coding knowledge. Email automation, which you can set up automated campaigns triggered by user actions, and you can capture leads directly from your website or social media using the landing page and pop-ups. Also, this is subscriber management. Segment and manage your audience effectively, and the analytics and reporting tracks opens, clicks, and conversions to optimize campaigns. You can connect it with Shopify, WordPress, WooCommerce, and more for integrations, and MailerLite offers a free plan up to 1,000 subscribers with basic features. But of course, it has some drawbacks, so it has a limited advanced automation compared to premium tools like ActiveCampaign. Free plan has limited support and fewer templates, and some integrations may require workarounds for complex workflows. So overall, MailerLite is a great choice for small businesses, bloggers, and beginners who want an affordable, easy-to-use email marketing solution. Its intuitive interface, automation, and free plan makes it a strong option, though advanced marketers may find it with some limitation. If you're looking to start email marketing without breaking the bank, MailerLite is worth trying. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.